Hello, my name is Russell Preston Brown from Adobe, and in celebration of the 30th year of Adobe Photoshop this month, I'm going to demonstrate a great new way to make selections here inside of Adobe Photoshop for the iPad. Now, I've taken this photograph of these 4 oranges. Some of them are wrapped in tissue paper. I want to colorize the tissue paper in this project. Now, I'm going to zoom in right here on this first orange. I'm going to double tap over here on my selection tools to reveal this new tool right here. And it's called the Object Selection Tool. The technology within this tool is amazing. I simply select around my subject just like this with my marquee selection. And it automatically snaps right in on the shape. It identifies the shape that I have encircled. Wow. It's done a really great job, but down here there's some sections that I want to subtract. I want to refine the edge, and I can do that by tapping and holding on the touch shortcut right down here in the lower left-hand corner. If I tap and hold in the center, I can subtract from the selection. I encircle the area like this, and it subtracts. Once again, like that. It's using this technology to detect the edges with extreme accuracy. It's amazing. I'm now going to zoom back out because I want to deselect this section where the orange is showing through. I'm going to once again use the touch shortcut here in the lower left-hand corner, then select around this area like this. Perfect. I'm going to zoom back out, and I can now colorize this really accurate selection. Over here, I'm going to bring up my layer properties, then move this up higher so I can see the Add Clipped Adjustment right here. I'm going to tap on it. Then I'm going to select Hue and Saturation. Then next, I'm going to select to colorize. This is a great way to colorize this tissue paper, and then I'm going to drop the opacity down because it was a little bit too strong. That's perfect. Let's now challenge this technology a little bit farther. I'm going to go right over to the second orange right here, and let's see if it can select this orange as well. Once again, I'm going to target my base image here. I can then encircle this with my selection just like this. Let's see how it does. Fantastic. Once again, it did a great job. I'm going to zoom in on this section, and I need to add a bit more. So I'm going to encircle this area that I need to add, just like that. And there, it did a really great job of selecting this area. Let's zoom back out, go over to this area. I want to deselect this portion of the orange that's showing through. So once again, my touch shortcut here in the lower left-hand corner, then circle around this, and it deselects that. We can now colorize this second bit of paper, once again, by adding a clipped adjustment, hue and saturation, colorize, and let's make it a blue-green, and then bring its opacity down a bit, right there. Let's zoom back out and look at my final project. Fantastic. You've just seen a great new way to make easy selections right here inside of Adobe Photoshop for the iPad. And this was all in celebration of the 30 years of Adobe Photoshop. Give this technique a try.